guys, here we go. We got top 6 answers on the board. Name something done to a football you wouldn't want someone to do to your behind.
Take the hair out.
Take the hair out. Yeah.
Throw it.
Throw it.
We like to play.
They gonna play. Here we go. Reed, how you doing?
I am doing very well.
Good, good, good. Where y'all from now?
We live in Athens, Georgia, a lot of us, but guess what? We are from Cleveland, Ohio.
That's right at the crib
That's
now.
right.
What part of
Yes.
Cleveland?
Well, southeast. We are right on Lee Road by Carews Park. Are
Lee
you
Road?
familiar? Mm-hmm.
Lee Road and Harvard?
Yes. JFK.
Over there by the railroad track?
Yeah.
Come on, let's play. Hey, Jason, tell me something done to a football you wouldn't want somebody to do to your behind.
Kick it.
Miss Adrian, name
Yes.
something done to a football you wouldn't want someone to do to your behind.
Fumble me.
That is something they do with a football. They fumble it, but when they was with your behind, it would be more like fundo. Fundo, fumble. But you know, you could have thought that's the word.